All right, we're in the Taylor kitchen, and I am with my grandson, Alex.
Hello, hello.
Alex is 19, and we are making a dinner for our first introduction to his girlfriend, Chelsea, tomorrow. So I'm gonna make a brisket, and I thought, well, this is gonna be really, really easy, so Alex might as well make this brisket, and we can tell Chelsea that he made it, because he will have made it. So what I have here, Alex, is a yellow onion. So I've just cut it up into quarters, and just go ahead and put the onion into the crock pot. This is gonna be a crock pot brisket. So easy. All you do is put everything in the crock pot, and then we'll set it and forget it, and it'll be really, really good. All right, on top of that, we're just gonna slide this brisket. Now, the fat side needs to be up, so I'm just gonna slide it like that, and that was a 2-pound brisket, and it'll be perfect for us. All right, Alex, we're gonna need this garlic in here. It doesn't have to be chopped, it can just go right in. All right, so I have here some dried cayenne. These are out of our garden, and I've just dried them like that. What I need you to do, we're gonna put them in whole, because we're really not gonna eat them like that, but we're just gonna poke holes in them, like 2 holes in each one, and they can release their heat and their flavor in here. And then we'll pull them out before we serve this, but it'll give it nice flavor, a little bit of heat from the cayenne. It's gonna be so good. I'm gonna add some salt in here. I'm just gonna put the other 2 in just like that. I'll actually break these. That'll help. All right. Then we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. How do you say it?
Worcestershire?
Worcestershire.
Worcestershire sauce?
Worcestershire. I think that's right. There's 1. And the secret ingredient to this is root beer. I have a really good bottle of Abita root beer, and I'm just gonna pour that in. It's gonna fizz up, and then we're gonna cover this. And tomorrow, we will have an amazing brisket. Good job.
Ten out of 10. Amazing.